Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay, so good evening, everyone. I am Manvi Singh, one of the coordinator of this club. I warmly welcome to all of you to this event. Today, we are not just student of IIT Guwahati. We are proud representative of a country full of colors, cultures, languages, and stories. And tonight, Bharat Ek Rangmanch brings all of that together in this event. But before we begin this celebration, I would like to take a moment to remember someone very special. Asha Bhosle ji, one of the most ionic voices of India, whose music has touched generation. And with a career spanning over 7 decades, she sang a thousand of songs in multiple languages. Her voice brought every emotion to life and become a timeless part of our culture. She left us on 12th April. But her music will forever stay with us. This moment is dedicated to her loving memory. Before we move ahead, let's pause for a moment to honor her. I request to everyone observe 2 minutes of silence. So, wherever you are. Okay, thank you for taking this moment to remember her. Her voice and legacy will always stay with us. Now to begin this beautiful event, I would like to invite our General Secretary Ajitesh to take this thing forward.
Thank you, Mandu. I'm audible?
Yes, you are.
Uh, Thank you. Hello, everyone. Good evening, everyone. I hope you guys are good and doing well. On the behalf of the Trade Club Online Degree Program, IIT Guwahati, I warm welcome to each participant, faculty members, our friends, and even juniors, and every who has joined today. Thank you for joining us. And as you know, we are Indian, and India is a great country, and we're proud to be an Indian. So, as we know that India is not only a country, India is a conversation that has been going on for thousands of years in millions of tongues across mountains and oceans, rivers and plains. So, and tonight in this event, that conversation continues too. And I hope as you know, the event Bharat Eng Rangmanch. The thought was born from a simple but powerful idea that every one of us carries a piece of India inside our heart. So, as like in the folk tale of your grandmother told you that in the childhood, and in the festival your family celebrates, in the proverb your mother uh, said when you were a child, and in your poem when teacher made you recite. So tonight, this stage belongs to all of you. So there is, as you know, there is a no winner, no judge. There is only one India, and in all her wonderful, great, and magnificent diversity. So let this evening remind us that the richness of India is not in the spite of our difference, but it is because of them. So now let's begin this Bharat Ek Rangmanch. Now I use Satyam.
Yeah, Jitesh.
Please go ahead.
I'll be sharing some guidelines that you need to follow throughout this event. So, firstly, keep in mind that this is a celebration, not a competition. So, there are no marks, or we can say no judgment. You just need to share and honor each and every culture. Secondly, the participants will be given 5 to 6 minutes. So, please do keep this time limit in your mind. And also, thirdly, we encourage the students to speak in their regional language. They can definitely speak in the mother tongue, but they have to provide a brief explanation in either Hindi or English so that everyone can follow along. Also, we request you to show kindness to all the participants and also your peers who are present here. So, with that, I would request Satyam to please share the workflow of today's evening.
Yeah, sure, Vansi, thank you. Uh, Today I'm here to explain how the evening will go. Our participants will come on the spotlight one by one in order to be announced. Participants may use their time to showcase their performance, whether it's poem, presentation, song, or folk dance, anything. After each presentation, we will take a short moment to appreciate them before calling the next participant. We are here to encourage all of us. We encourage also in audience listen carefully and responds with the clapping emoji. Your support really matters to the participants. And remember, everyone here belongs to this event. Whether you are presenting or watching, you are the important part of this event. So I request Mandvi to call the participant one by one.
Yeah, now to start the like our first participant take us to beautiful culture of Mithila. He will present a Maithili folk song that reflected rich tradition and sweetness. So please welcome Biku Kumar Jha with a big round of applause.
नमस्कार। हमर नाम बिकू कुमार झा भेल। जैसा कि आप सभी लोग जानते हैं कि मिथिलांचल जो है भारतवर्ष का एक बहुत ही प्यारा सा क्षेत्र है जो कि ना सिर्फ भारत बल्कि नेपाल तक फैला हुआ है। और भारत में ये जो क्षेत्र है वो बिहार राज्य और झारखंड के कुछ इलाकों तक फैला हुआ है। तो जैसा कि आप सभी लोग जानते हैं कि मिथिला क्षेत्र में शिव नाचारी यानी शिव की भक्ति बहुत लोग किया करते थे और उन्हीं के भक्ति में वो एक गाना प्रस्तुत किया करते थे जिसको मैथिली नाचारी बोलते हैं और उस नाचारी को वो के रूप में वो नृत्य भी किया करते थे। इसलिए जब वो नृत्य किया करते थे तो इसी वजह से उसका नाम नाचारी हो गया। तो मैं आपको एक मैथिली नाचारी सुनाऊंगा। मैं वैसे तो कोई गायक नहीं हूँ पर अपने क्षेत्र का को आपके सामने ये गाना रखना चाहता हूँ। अगर कोई त्रुटि हो तो मुझे माफ कीजिएगा। तो अब हम अहाँ सबके समक्ष एकटा मैथिली नाचारी प्रस्तुत करे जा रहल छियै। आशा करब अहाँ सबके नीक लागत। गौरी के एहन बड़, गौरी के एहन बड़, विधि किए दे बड़ अजगुत भेल। गौरी के एहन बड़, गौरी के एहन बड़, विधि किए देल बड़ अजगुत भेल। एहन बड़, गौरी के एहन बड़, विधि किए देल बड़ अजगुत भेल। तेल फूलेल कोहबर घर गेल, तेल फूलेल कोहबर घर गेल, तेल फूलेल कोहबर घर गेल, फूलेल फूलेल कोहबर घर गेल। कोबरे में भोला बाबा, कोबरे में भोला बाबा, अंसले पीलेल बड़ अजगुत भेल। गौरी के हन बड़, गौरी के हन बड़, विधि किए देल बड़ अजगुत भेल। के हन बड़, गौरी के हन बड़, विधि किए देल बड़ अजगुत भेल। जगुत भेल। पूरी जलेबी कोहबर घर गेल, पूरी जलेबी कोहबर घर गेल, पूरी जलेबी कोहबर घर गेल, पूरी जलेबी कोहबर घर गेल। कोबरे में भोला बाबा, कोबरे में भोला बाबा, असले पीलेल बड़ अजगुत भेल। गौरी के हन बड़, गौरी के हन बड़, विधि किए देल बड़ अजगुत भेल। गिरिवर के भंगिया, गिरिवर के भंगिया, कुटुम बनी गेल बड़ अजगुत भेल। काले दोशाले कोहबर घर गेल, साले दोशाल कोहबर घर गेल, साल दोशाल कोहबर घर गेल, साल दोशाल कोहबर घर गेल। कोबरे में भोला बाबा, कोबरे में भोला बाबा, छाल ओढ़ी लेल अजगुत भेल। गौरी के हन बड़, विधि के हन बड़, विधि किए देल बड़ अजगुत भेल। गिरिवर के भंगिया, कुटुम बनी गेल बड़ अजगुत भेल, बड़ अजगुत भेल। गौरी के हन बड़, गौरी के हन बड़, विधि किए दे बड़ अजगुत भेल। धन्यवाद। इस गाने में शिव और पार्वती के विवाह का प्रसंग था। हमारे यहाँ मिथिलांचल में जब किसी स्त्री और युवक का विवाह होता है तो उनको एक घर में, जिसको कोहबर घर बोलते हैं, उसमें बिठाया जाता है। उसमें अनेक प्रकार की रस्में होती हैं। तो ये जो गाना था वो कोहबर के विभिन्न रस्मों को बताया जा रहा था। क्योंकि जैसा कि आपको मालूम है कि पार्वती के जो पिता थे दक्ष, वो चाहते थे कि उनका विवाह जो है इंद्र जैसे किसी देवता के साथ हो जिनके पास आलीशान महल और हर चीज है, सुख सुविधाएं हैं, पर पार्वती ने शिव भगवान को चुना था और उसी के बारे में यहाँ बताया जा रहा था। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Biku. Your efforts are really appreciated. You sang really beautifully. So now
धन्यवाद
from the land,
बिकू, अहाँ के प्रस्तुति बहुत निमन है। हमहू बिहार से छल तो हम बहुत मैथिल आवल है।
जी धन्यवाद। हम बस एकटा प्रयास केलो हाँ, पहिल बेर छले हमर, हम तो एना गबै नहीं छी, तो हम सब दाई माई सब गावे छे, लेकिन हम उनका सबसे सुनने छलिए तो प्रस्तुत केलो वहाँ सबके सामने।
बहुत बढ़िया
धन्यवाद।
प्रस्तुति।
धन्यवाद।
so now from the land of rivers, red and white fabric and Mishti Doi, let's call Rupam Devnath, who will be presenting Rabindranath's timeless poetry.
Evening, everyone. My name is Rupam Devnath. Today I am just going to present a Rabindranath Tagore song that's very famous at the time when the Tagore song is everybody listening at the 1980s and 1990s. As of now, everybody know who is Rabindranath Tagore, who given us the national anthem. And without wasting any time, I'm just starting my song. তুমি তাই গো আমারও পরাণ যা চায় তোমা ছাড়া রে জগতে মোর কেহ নাই, কিছু নাই গো আমারও পরাণ যা চায় তুমি তাই গো আমারও পরাণ যা চায়। তুমি সুখ যদি নাহি পাও, যাও সুখের সন্ধানে যাও, যদি নাহি পাও যাও সুখের সন্ধানে যাও, আমি পেয়েছি তোমারে হৃদয় মাঝে, আরো কিছু নাহি চাই, নাহি চাই গো আমার পরাণ যাহা চায় তুমি তাই গো আমার পরাণ যাহা চায়। Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rupam, for bringing a Bengal Hearts to this event. So, our next participant is Sajad Mirasi, who is his Maro Bhagar, Maro Boli, meaning my land, my language. Through poetry, he will take us on a journey into the heart of his culture. So, please welcome Sajad Mirasi.
सबसे पहले खमा गणी and a very warm welcome to everyone. As the theme says, Bharat Ek Rangmanch. As on this great stage of India, I represent a vibrant color from the sand of Rajasthan. So this main headline of this, Mharo Bagad Mhari Shan. It's mean the land of Rajasthan, a greatest empire area, Bagad, that represent a very cultural and very good type of communities, their behavior and their heritage. सबसे पहले इसके अंदर जैसे बोला गया है इस कविता के अंदर कि खाणो मारे हाथ रो भले ही जहर हो, रहनो भाई रे साथ में भले ही बैर हो। मतलब इसका अर्थ ये हुआ कि मतलब खाना है वो माँ के हाथ का खाना चाहिए, चाहे भले ही वो जहर हो, और रहना भाई के साथ में, चाहे भले ही वो उसके साथ बैर हो, उसके साथ दुश्मनी हो। दूसरी लाइन, दोरारी धरती रो एक ओ उसूल है, झुकणो माने आवे कोनी और रुकणो माने सुभावे कोनी। इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जो दोरारी धरती है वो बहुत ही ग्रेट एम्पायर वाली धरती रही है। यहाँ पे झुकना और यहाँ पे रुकना दोनों ही सुभाता नहीं है यहाँ के लोगों को। इसके बाद मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा मारवाड़ी की एक बहुत ही शानदार पंक्ति जो हमारे यहाँ के आसपास के पुराने बूढ़े हमारे दादा परदादा लोग यूज करते आए हैं। बोलते हैं कि इसके अंदर एक चीज बोला है कि मन में विश्वास राख आ मरु धरा वीरारी है, अठे कांकरा स्यू भी महल बन जावे, बस थारी जिद पत्थरा स्यू मजबूत होनी चाहिए। मतलब मन में विश्वास रखो, यह मरुधरा वीरों की है, यहाँ कंकरों से भी महल बन जाते हैं, बस तुम्हारी जिद पत्थर से मजबूत होनी चाहिए। कठिन टेम में ई असली मिणखरी पहचान होवे, सूरज भी तपे जहा ई उजासों करे, बिना तप्या को कायलो कोयलो रेवे। इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि कठिन समय में ही असली इंसान की पहचान होती है। सूरज भी तपता है तभी उजाला करता है, बिना तपे तो कोयला भी काला ही रहता है। इसके बाद इन्होंने बोला है, जे ठोकर खाकर भी नहीं पड़या तो समझ लीजियो, थारो मारवाड़ी लोही असली है। वक्त खराब हो सके पर थारी मेहनत कोनी। अगर ठोकर खाकर भी नहीं गिरे तो मारो समझ लीजियो कि तुम्हारा मारवाड़ी खून असली है। वक्त खराब हो सकता है, तुम्हारी मेहनत नहीं। हाथ की लकीरां स्यूं कोनी, पसीने की बूंद स्यूं तकदीर बने। उठ कमर कस और दिखा दे दुनिया ने कि राजस्थानी खून में तेरो कतरो दम है। यानी हाथ की लकीरों से नहीं बल्कि पसीने की बूंदों से तकदीर बनती है। उठो और दुनिया को दिखा दो कि राजस्थानी खून में कितना दम है। थैंक यू to be given me chance for speaking this. I try myself lot of hours to be represent this. Thank you very much.
I think he suddenly leave that meeting.
Thank you so much, Sajad. So now let's welcome Madhav Dubey, who will be sharing some tales of Veerta, Maryada, Balidan, courage, honor, sacrifice. So I would request Madhav Dubey to please present the story. Madhav
Hello.
is present.
हेलो, मेरी ऑडियो आ रही है?
Yes, you are audible.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। मेरे यहाँ पे लाइटनिंग नहीं आ रही है क्योंकि रेन हो रही थी काफी, तो इसी वजह से मैं कैमरा ऑन नहीं कर सकता हूँ। लेकिन आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू गेट अ पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस रंगमंच प्रोग्राम विच इज डायरेक्टेड बाय अवर लिटरेरी क्लब, एंड वेरी हैप्पी एंड ग्रीटिंग्स टू अवर सत्यम सर, अजितेश सर, वंशी दीदी एंड मांडवी दीदी। तो आज मैं अपना शेयर करना चाहता हूँ स्टेट के बारे में। जैसे कहते हैं राजस्थान, राजस्थान जिसे बलिदान की भूमि कहते हैं एंड एक्सेट्रा, सब लोग जानते हैं रॉयलिटी जो जानी जाती है अपनी रॉयलिटी के लिए एंड एक्सेट्रा थिंग्स के लिए। तो आई हैव टू शेयर माय स्क्रीन विद यू ऑल गाइस, गिव मी अ मिनट। हैव स्क्रीन इज विजिबल गाइस?
Yeah.
Yes, it is visible.
It's 1 minute.
It's not audible.
I
Don't
think
worry,
that's not
Madhav.
audible. Don't worry,
I can
we
share.
are playing it. We are playing it.
Yes,
huh?
yes.
Don't worry. Just stop your sharing.
ओके ओके।
हमारे शरीर को पाने की लालसा रखने वाले शत्रु के हाथ हमारी परछाई तक नहीं लगेगी। ये शरीर राख हो जाएगा पर अमर रहेगी राजपूती शान, हमारे उसूल, हमारा स्वाभिमान।
होप एवरीवन लाइक्स इट एंड आप लोग बताना कैसा लगा आप लोगों को। एंड इतना ही था राजस्थान के लिए। जैसे लास्ट में मैंने जितेश भैया आप फिर से एक बार प्ले कर सकते हैं लास्ट वाला जो सीन था उसका वीडियो का।
Yes, yes, why not?
लास्ट स्लाइड जो थी बिल्कुल।
आई थिंक सही से प्ले नहीं हुआ आई थिंक वंशी कैन चेक
शेयर करके फॉरवर्ड कर दो दिन प्लेयर।
नो प्रॉब्लम, मैं
चलो।
ऐसे ही एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ। जो लास्ट में जैसे इमेजेस थी, तो इमेजेस में 31 हैंड्स थे। 31 हैंड्स उन लोगों के थे जो रानियां थी उस वक्त में जिन्होंने जौहर करी थी। कहा तो 16,000 का जाता है, लेकिन मेरे को इतना तो नहीं पता 16,000 थी कि नहीं। लेकिन 31 जो फुटप्रिंट्स हैं, हैंड प्रिंट्स हैं, उनका तो हम लोगों को अच्छे से पता है कि 31 थी। तो जो 31 रानियां थी जिन्होंने अपने आप को सेक्रीफाइस करा, अपने देश के लिए सेक्रीफाइस करा, अपने इज्जत के लिए सेक्रीफाइस करा, उन सभी लोगों के लिए ये एक हम लोगों का मार्क था। तो इसे आप लोग एक बार देख सकते हैं, पढ़ सकते हैं।
यू आर सेइंग
What is
अबाउट दिस
Bhavna?
Yeah, it's wonderful.
रीड इट
Yeah.
This artwork honors 31 queens who choose sacrifice over surrender. It represents Johar, a voluntary act by Rajput women to protect their dignity in the face of capture and enslavement और फोर्स कन्वर्सेशन ड्यूरिंग टाइम्स ऑफ वॉर। तो जब लड़ाइयां होती थी तो जो बाहर के इन्वीडर्स आते थे, वो जो हम लोगों की रानियां होती थी या जितने भी उस शहर में लोग होते थे, उन लोगों को उठा लेते थे, किडनैप कर लेते थे या उनके साथ बहुत सारी गलत चीजें करते थे। तो उससे बचने के लिए जौहर का एक उन लोगों ने परमिशन ली, राजा से परमिशन लेके होती थी ये जौहर भी, पहले ही ले ली जाती थी बहुत जाने से पहले। ऐसा नहीं है ये सती प्रथा है कि पति मर गया तो उसके बाद पत्नी को मरना है, ऐसा नहीं। ये हम लोगों को खुद से चूज करा गया था डिग्निटी अपनी बचाने के लिए, अपनी रिस्पेक्ट के लिए। जिससे जो फॉरेन इन्वेडर्स हैं, जो राजा हैं, उसमें तो खिलजी जाने कुछ और थे, तो उन लोगों से बचने के लिए, अपनी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट के लिए, जिससे वो गलत ना कर सकते हैं, इसलिए जौहर ली गई थी। So bow down to these brave hearts. Thank you, everyone, guys.
Well done. Clap.
थैंक यू फॉर रिप्रेजेंटिंग दिस
Thank you. That
ग्रेट
was really amazing.
रिप्रेजेंटेशन
Thank you. Thank you.
Our next participant is from the beautiful state of Manipur. Through his presentation, he will share its rich art and culture with us. So please welcome Mehban Dhanachandra Singh.
Hi everyone, this is Marabam Dhanachandra Singh. I'm from the Manipur, and hi Setambai, hi everyone.
Yeah. Hi.
So I would like to share something sweet memory of about my Manipur regarding the Arang culture and some some sports and some tradition and culture costume. So let me share my screen shortly, and I will share the moment for that much. Allow me a minute. Yeah, may I know it is visible to you all?
Yeah, it's visual.
Yeah, yes, please.
Okay, so let me start shortly. Okay, yeah. Okay, as I confirm. Okay, let me start now. So in the first page, I am showing some simple image of our Manipur, about the culture and about the tradition and about the indigenous game and the dance. So first of all, let me with the, you can follow my red point. So it is a in our language, this is called Sagol Kangse, commonly known as polo. Anyone talking? Hello?
No, you can continue.
Okay. So it is commonly known as polo in global, and then in our local language is called Sogol Kangse, and it is originated from our Manipur in the time of the 1400 BCE, and around in the time of the 19th century, the one the British officer Lieutenant Sirier and I forget one name, that two guys bring this polo to the global stage, and then first polo club of the world is in the Silchar, so it still is going. And then let me shortly explain this much. And now is using commonly we celebrate as a cradle of polo. And then the middle image is the Loktak Lake, and it is the fresh water lake in the India, and the floating lake only one piece of our world. And the guy, you see some old men and women like in the boat and sitting on board and doing some style of fishing. It is the main source of income of our Manipur. We have to weigh from the early time fishing and the agriculture. It is the main income source of our Manipur. And then now is have another way of earning, like another marketing or something like that. And then you see the third image for the first row. It is the our palace gate. It is called, we call Kangla. So let me go to the this second row. There is a boat racing. Boat racing means we call it Hyang Tanaba, and then it is occasionally happen in the some, we have some that and some specific timing to perform this kind of boat race. And then it is Kamal it is our culture and related program, and related with the the deity, our deity. And then so in the middle you see the Switzerland of India. So this title is given by the one of the British officer, Lord Irwin. He gave this title to our Manipur to see our culture and our beauty of the nature. As per with that much, he gave this title. And you see one of the dance troupe here. So it is we call Ras Leela. It's related with the Gopi and Krishna dancing in the night of the full moon time. So it is happened in the main palace, that royal palace of Manipur. It is happened. And then most interesting fact is that Ima Kaital means women market, and it is run by women only women of Manipur. It is run by women, and it is in Manipur for only for our world. It is the only market run by the women. And then the last row is that the first one is the we call Pung Cholom. We commonly known as even you can say Dolup or Dolop dance. It is a dance, kind of dance of our Manipur culture and tradition. It is a Pung Cholom we call. It is a Dulo and it is a Don. So, and then the middle one is the night view of our main capital area, Imphal city. And then this one is the, you might be know, it is called rugby in Kamalli, and in our local language, Yubi Lakpi. So it is kind of sports in our indigenous group of Manipur. And let me go to the next slide again. I have some 3 slides. Yeah. So now is the most interesting area is that community of Manipur and the tradition, culture, and costume. So we have 33 communities in our Manipur, and we stay lovely and without any issue. So, and now I don't include all the photo due to some area and some space. So I pick some community dance, culture, and dress, and some title. So the first 2 images is belongs to Meitei community. Means Meitei is the most majority population in our Manipur and the indigenous people of Manipur. Even me, I am a Meitei as well. And this, the first one is the dress is the our tradition and the traditional attire. So, and the dance they perform in this photo is called our Thogul Jagoi. And then the second is that, you know, it is something specific dance that we only perform the Lai Harawa. Lai Harawa means we pray to our God with the sweets and some, you know, goods, and for the peace and harmony, and bring good crops and another good things to of the year every year. So it is we call Maibi with someone who using this kind of dress. So we call Maibi Ima Maibi like that. And then the third one is the Kabi community. It belongs to the Kabi community. And let me, you know, you all see that Musalman. So we call it in our local language, Panghan. And then the one is that belongs to the Maring tribal community. And then those are all the Tangkhul and Naga, all are there. So it is the community and the tradition and the culture and custom of our Manipur. And in our Manipur have 33 communities. So in this kind of culture and kind of community staying in one small state, so our late Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru giving this title, the Jewels of India in our Manipur. So let me go to the final slide. I will be finished with this slide. Yeah, way of life of living in Manipur. So I have mentioned in previously our main income source is the fishing and agriculture, and we have performed Holi, means we don't perform the directly with Hindu, but we perform the Holi with our traditional way. That we have our own community, that we have our own culture. So we follow our culture and doing perform the Yaukshang, that's called commonly known as Holi. We have performed 5 days in our Manipur, and then this is the might be everyone will understand this part that I don't know full name in the Hindi. So yeah, we call Jagannath, that we commonly known as Kang, but I don't know what call in the Hindi. We call just Jagannath Prabhu, and then we just perform in the every year. So might be in this coming May or June will be happen this occasion. And then this is the that is the our Chairauba. Chairauba means the New Year of our Manipur, and we pray for our family, we pray for ourselves and our good and health and peace and harmony for our home and our family, everything. And we share the food and some curry every household, what we cook for that day. So we will share everything and neighbors. And then as an interesting fact that as a uh, Manipuri, as a Northeast guy, most of the boys and girls, youngster are interested with the football. This kind of game is interesting, most interesting. Even me also, I'm a state player, but once upon a time, but now is coming to the another way. So now it is the most interesting. And then the market I mentioned in the previously. So there is the one simple pic of the Imar market, that woman market, only in the world that run by the women. There is a simple click of the beside that market. And then this is the temple of our Manipur. It's we call Govindaji temple, and it is belongs to the royal palace of Manipur. So there is much. And lastly, I can say with this goal and with this program that Ranga Ek, that this program. So sorry to say I forget the program name. Sorry for that. So in this program, thank you for giving this kind of short timing to share something of my beloved Manipur of culture and art and tradition. So lastly, I can take one moment for you all as a Manipuri. So kindly pray for our Manipur. So it still is burning of our Manipur, and then so please speak up and please stand for our Manipur and please save our Manipur's innocent and our youngers. So please save Manipur. Have a great day. Thanks everyone.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
thank you everyone. So have a great conservation to you all. Thanks.
Thank you, Marindam. We got to know a lot about Manipur, and earlier, before the last slide, I felt like it was the whole tour of Manipur. We had a small visit for 5 minutes there.
Yes, thanks. Just a simple visit timing 45 minutes if you're not able to go in Manipur. I share the moment that much.
Definitely try to be there someday.
Yeah. Thank you everyone. Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you.
Our next participant is Krishna, and he'll be sharing a poetry where Krishna will become the protector and will feel fearless, or we can say the fear disappears. So I hope Krishna Sharma is here.
Yeah, hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Hello. Can you please confirm? Am I audible?
Yes, you are
Okay.
audible.
Okay. So, at first, I was performing a poetry here, but as I see, everyone came from so many states. Someone represent Mithila from Bihar, two guys represent our Rajasthan. Like I am also from like Rajasthan only, but I saw that no one represents South India. So just I changed my mind from that poetry. Now I am singing a song of a Kannad which represent our South India. So our audience can feel that वो भी समझे साउथ इंडिया और उसके बारे में तो okay, let's start it. So first of all, good evening everyone. Myself Krishna Sharma, proud student of cohort 1 of this course. I feel truly grateful and delighted to be a part of this college and this beautiful learning journey. It is an honor for me to express myself on this munch today. India, a land known for its incredible cultural diversity, a land where every religion, region carries its own traditions, stories, and expressions. But beyond this diversity, India is also a land of deep spiritual heritage. It is the land where Lord Rama walked with Dharma and where Lord Krishna lived, guided, and protected. For many of us, these are not just stories, they are emotions, beliefs, living truth. And today, on this stage of Bharat Ek Rangmanch, even though this platform is virtual and we are connected through Microsoft Teams, the spirit of India, its culture and its story remains as alive and powerful as ever. So I'm starting. This is a folk song in Kannada. So okay, let's start. I will translate it after singing that. Okay. Is that okay for everyone? I'll give the explanation after that. Yeah. So it start like this. Mahadeva, 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 Sojugada Suju Mallige, Mahadeva Nimma Mande Myale Dundu Mallige. ಸೋಜುಗಾದ ಸೂಜು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂದು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅಂದಾವರ ಮುಂದಾವರ ಮತೆ ತವರೆ ಪುಷ್ಪ ಚಂದಕ್ಕಿ ಮಾಲ ಬಿಲ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಂದಕ್ಕಿ ಮಾಲೆ ಬಿಲ್ಪತ್ರೆ ತುಳಸಿ ದಲವಾ ಮದಪ್ಪನ ಪೂಜೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೋಜುಗಾದ ಸೂಜು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂದು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋ ಸೋಜುಗಾದ ಸೂಜು ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಂದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ದುಂದು मल्लिगे सॉरी गाइस अगर कोई यहाँ पे साउथ इंडियन हो अगर मैंने कुछ गलत तरीके से गाया हो तो बिकॉज मैं हूँ नहीं साउथ इंडिया से आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग मुझे अच्छा लगता है दूसरे रीजन एक्सप्लोर करना या फिर उनके कल्चर के बारे में जानना तो यही मैंने सुना था अभी नेक्स्ट ट्रिप मेरी कर्नाटका की है तो मैंने थोड़ा कन्नड़ और इन सब के बारे में सीखना जानना चाहा तो मैंने जस्ट सुना था मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा मैंने इसे ट्राई किया तो जस्ट अभी आपके सामने परफॉर्म किया so yeah so I'm translating this So for the first para, as we say Mahadeva, Mahadeva. So yeah, Om Mahadeva, I call out to you again and again with devotion. My heart is filled with your name and every breath remembers you. With pure love, I offer you beautiful jasmine flower. O Mahadeva, placing them gently upon you as a symbol of my devotion. I bring sacred flowers, lotus blossoms, and garland of bilva leaves, each one offered with faith and reverence at your feet. With tulsi leaves and heartfelt prayers, I come before you to worship, surrendering myself completely in your divine presence. It is just a song of that poet is surrendering themselves to the Mahadeva. He is a god. Everyone knows. Yeah. So thank you. This is all. It is okay.
Thank you
A
so
great
much,
performance.
Krishna. Your efforts are really appreciated. One great.
मैं पहले तो कोई पोएट्री कर रहा था यहाँ पे परफॉर्म, बट अभी उससे बात के लिए रखते हैं। अभी मैंने सोचा इसे ही कर देते हैं,
नहीं,
क्योंकि
उसको भी
साउथ इंडिया
परफॉर्म
से
कर
कोई है
सकते
भी नहीं यहाँ पे, आई थिंक, है ना।
हैं। अगर तुम चाहो तो
और
उसको भी परफॉर्म कर सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
नहीं नहीं, ठीक है, उसे बाद में करते हैं।
बट बढ़िया था।
थैंक यू भाई, थैंक यू।
वी स्टिल डोंट नो कन्नड़, बट अच्छा था।
मैं भी नहीं जानता। मैं भी इतनी
एग्जैक्टली।
जानता हूँ जितनी आप जानते हैं।
It was
अच्छा लगा
melodious
वैसे
and
आपसे
beautiful.
सुन के।
I want. That's what mattered.
थैंक यू।
So we have any other next performance? है कोई?
I mean,
I think one
should
of
we
them
hear?
has been we
Could
just-
we?
Not
I
here.
guess not.
I think that's all for the participant. If anyone in the audience want to say something, their point of view, if they miss the registration, they can say. We have some time also. Anyone want? I think no one. The silence says. I think that's all about today's meeting. Uh,
Thank you everyone for joining us today,
mm,
and especially thank to our participants who came here, who represent their culture, about India, and Northeast, North, and lastly South from the India's heart. So it's thank you for audience for joining us today. And if anyone wants to share something, please share. If anyone wants to give some feedback, write in the chat. If anyone wants some guidance or something, want to share with us, please mail us. We are always with you. So thank you for joining us today. It's the end.
We can take a photo for documentation of this event.
Yeah, please
Mm.
everyone, can you open your
Come on,
cameras?
Mike.
If hello, can you open your cameras?
If everyone had bandwidth, they can open the camera.
Eh,
Let me click.
everyone is in a happy side. Yeah.
And guys, please participate in this type of event. You know, there is a offline function also in AIC at the December. We give preference to those students who are participating in this type of event. So if you are miss the event and don't participate in that, and if you say that they, okay, why you are not selecting me, so that's the problem. We give the preference also who are participating in this type of event. Let me click that. Yeah, thanks everyone. That's all about today. You can leave now. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you everyone for joining us.